Ako po si Paolo Daet, Sable Operator ng LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 16 meters. Printer head clean. Nozzle check. Punas ng copy at wiper after head clean. Ink system ay tama lang. Waste tank. EVR naka 220 volts. Dito po yung inks, yung used and unused po. Dito po muna nakalagay yung sabre roll. Consumable monitoring ng Sayan. Magenta, yellow, black, and yung Sable paper po. Sable daily output record. Sable daily checklist.